Do you also want to make your husband happy? Do you also want to make your place in your husband's heart? Neither magic nor any medicine. Follow this story from Mahabharat. This story from Mahabharat will give you a key to keeping your husband happy. Today, when there are spats between husband and wife every day, if it is not possible to keep one husband happy, how did Draupadi, who had not one but 5 husbands, manage to keep them happy? What's more, Sri Krishna's most beloved wife, Satyabhama, was also a fan of this quality of Draupadi. You know that Sri Krishna had 16,108 queens. All the queens wished that their Shyam Sundar should love no one but them. Apart from this, the whole world loved Sri Krishna. Hence, Satyabhama always felt that she should get a mantra to enchant Sri Krishna. Sri Krishna should love only her. In the Van Parv of Mahabharat, when the Pandavas get exiled, Sri Krishna, along with his wife Satyabhama, comes to meet them. When Pandavas were talking to Sri Krishna, Satyabhama asked Draupadi how all of her husbands loved her so much. It seemed that all the Pandavas were under her control.
तव वश्या हि सततं पांडवाः प्रियदर्शने मुख प्रेक्ष्याश्च ते सर्वे तत्त्वमेतत् ब्रवीहि मे.
According to Mahabharat, when Draupadi was asked by her friend, Bhagwan Krishna's beloved wife, Satyajit Kumari Sundari Satyabhama, how she won the hearts of her 5 Pandavas, how come they are always besotted by her and never get angry with her? She said to Draupadi to reveal to her a vrat, a ritual, a mantra, a medicine, vidha power, mula power, yajna, or a medicine that would increase fame and good fortune and which would put Shyam Sundar always in her control. Draupadi gets annoyed with Satyabhama on hearing this and says there is no such vrat, tapasya or herb that could put a spell on a husband. On the contrary, they have the opposite effect. Instead of loving you, the husband may start hating you. Draupadi, in a way, reprimands Satyabhama and says,
असत् स्त्रीणां समाचारं सत्ये मामनुपृच्छसि असदाचरिते मार्गे कथं स्यादनुकीर्तनम्.
This means Draupadi says to Satyabhama, what you are asking me about is not the behavior of pious women, but that of adulterous and filthy women. How can we even discuss the path which the wicked women have followed? After this, Draupadi explains to Satyabhama that the husband should not be controlled by tantra, mantra, witchcraft or medicines, as it always has the opposite effect.
यदैव भर्ता जानीयान् मन्त्रमूलपरां स्त्रियम् उद्विजेत तदैव स्याः सर्पाद्वेषगतादिव.
That is, when the husband comes to know that his wife is using some mantra, tantra or herbs to control him, he gets disturbed by it in the same way as people are apprehensive of a snake entering their houses. Trust is the basis of love between husband and wife. Such measures make the husband suspect that his wife wishes ill of him. Then he starts being alert even at home. Draupadi further says,
उद्विग्नस्य कुतः शांति अशांतस्य कुतः सुखम न जातु वशगो भर्ता स्त्रियः स्यान् मंत्र कर्मणा.
that is, there is no peace for the frustrated person, and there is no happiness for the disturbed person. Therefore, chanting the mantras will never put the husband in the wife's power. Draupadi also cautions Satyabhama that the enemies of the husband of a woman who is in search of such measures can also take advantage of it and harm the husband by posing as a doctor or a tantric.
जलोदर समायुक्ताः स्वितृणः पलितास्तथा अपुमांसः कृतास्तेभिर्जडान्ध बधिरास्तथा.
That is, how many women have made their husbands sick and dropsy and leprosy, prematurely, old, impotent, blind, dumb, and deaf by feeding them harmful medicines with the hope of subduing them. After this, Draupadi tells Satyabhama the right way to keep her husband happy. Drop the ego and show affinity. Apart from Draupadi, the Pandavas had many wives, but Draupadi never treated her Sautans badly because she knew that it would hurt her husbands. Hence, she not only took care of her husbands, but also had a cordial relationship with the other wives of the Pandavas.
अहंकारं विहायाहं कामक्रोधौ च सर्वदा सदारान् पाण्डवान् नित्यं प्रयतोपचराम्यहम्.
That is, without ego, lust and anger, I always serve all the Pandavas and their other women with utmost care. Backbiting is dangerous. Draupadi tells Satyabhama that one should always use good language with the husband and also avoid the company of bad people.
अंतयालापशन्तोषं परव्यापार संकथाम अतिहासातिरोषौ च क्रोधस्थानं च वर्जये निरताहं सदा सत्ये भातृणामुपसेवने.
This means I do not talk to lowly men, do not give place to dissatisfaction in my mind, and stay away from discussing other people. I neither overlaugh nor do I get too angry. I do not allow myself occasions to get angry. I always speak the truth and am engaged in the service of my husbands. I will do whatever he likes. Draupadi says that one should do whatever the husband likes. We should eat the same food that our husband consumes. Draupadi says,
यच्च भर्ता न पिबति यच्च भर्ता न सेवते यच्च नास्नाति मे भर्ता सर्वं तद्वर्जयाम्यहम्. न मुक्तवति न स्नाते न संविष्टे च भर्तारिः न संविशामि न स्नामि सदा कर्म करेष्वपि.
that is, I give up whatever my husband does not eat, does not drink, or does not consume. I never eat without feeding my husbands and their servants. I don't take a bath without bathing them, and I don't sleep until my husband falls asleep. As mother-in-law was once a daughter-in-law, Draupadi knew that every son loves his mother the most. Therefore, taking care of the husband's mother automatically makes the husband happy. That's why Draupadi tells Satyabhama,
नित्यमार्यामहं कुन्तीं वीरसुं सत्यवादिनीं स्वयं परिचराम्येतां पानाच्छादन भोजनैः.
meaning I always serve food, clothes and water, etc. myself to Virjanani Satyavadani Arya Kunti Devi. Saving is the only way. Draupadi tells Satyabhama that not only should one avoid extravagance, but also take care of the husband's property in such a way that it helps the husband from keeping all these accounts.
सर्वं राज्ञः समुदयाम् आयं च व्ययमेव च एकाहं वेद्मि कल्याणी पांडवानां यशस्विनी.
That is, Hey Kalyani and Yashaswini Satyabhama, I alone kept and knew of the entire income, expenditure and savings for the Maharaj and the other Pandavas. Have you seen how simple are the ways that Draupadi has narrated to keep one's husband happy? Neither has she advised to surrender to a tantric or witchcraft, nor has she advised to go to any fake doctors. Draupadi's remedies are effective even today. By taking these measures, not only will the husband remain happy, but the whole family will become happy and prosperous.